candles on my birthday.
How old are you?
2.
2. How many candles are on your birthday cake?
Yeah. I'm putting my birthday on.
Oh, that's your pear, huh?
Hold them on tight. I put my candles on my birthday.
Ah, on your birthday cake or on your birthday pear?
Birthday my pear.
Your birthday pear?
Yeah.
Whoa, you've got all the candles. Now what?
Happy birthday and turn the lights off.
that's how it goes.
Blow out candles.
Yay!